vegan larder, and today we are doing jerk jackfruit. So you've probably heard a lot of jerk chicken, but actually you can use the flavouring and the sauce, which is absolutely incredible and packed full of lots of yummy ingredients. So you can do jerk tofu, jerk cauliflower, but today we're doing jerk jackfruit because jackfruit's got a lovely kind of meaty texture, sometimes used as a vegan version of pulled pork. So we're going to be doing that with a jerk flavouring.
Yum, and why are we doing this?
So really wanted to do this recipe because I have some Caribbean heritage. I also lived in Brixton for a long time.
So did I,
yes. As well, and grew up in Bristol where there's a big Caribbean influence in both Brixton and Bristol. So I ate a lot of this food for a long time. So it was really important to me to know how to make jerk season because it's so delicious.
Make it vegan.
Yeah.
So let's discuss what's inside it.
Okay, great. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. It might look like a lot, but we're actually just going to chuck them all into the blender for the marinade. So first of all, we've got some spring onions, otherwise known as scallions, got the juice of 1 lime, half an onion, some soy sauce. You can use tamari or coconut aminos if you want. We've got some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, but other vinegar will also work just fine. We've got some brown sugar. This is actually coconut palm sugar, but use whatever sugar you would like. So we've got some we've got some fresh thyme. We've got some chili. Scotch Bonnet is very traditional. Use as few or as many as you like. We're just going to use 1 or maybe half. Then we've got some ginger, some garlic, some allspice, some nutmeg, and some cinnamon. Okay, we're going to blend everything up to make the jerk marinade. So first of all, we have our soy sauce. We have our olive oil. Now I've also added some apple cider vinegar, and that's because I've reduced the oil from some of the traditional recipes, but it's up to you about your ratios between oil and apple cider vinegar. We have our lovely thyme, which is really key to this. Bit of sugar, use coconut palm sugar, but use whatever sugar you've got available. That one's just a little bit healthier. Your scallions or your spring onions, really important for the flavour. They really make it. And we've got all our herbs and spices here, our ginger, our garlic, nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon. We've also got some Scotch Bonnet. We made the mistake of putting, I think we put a whole one in the last one, and Louise couldn't eat it, and my eyes watered a bit, but we've got half in this one, and we've de-seeded it, but it's up to you how much of it you put in. So you do you. And then we've got the juice of 1 lime. There we go. And the other one. Okay, let's get this blended. Smelling delicious. Right, now we are going to pull the jackfruit. It comes in tins or jars, looks a bit like this, and we're literally just going to pull all of it apart so we get that lovely meaty stringy texture. Okay, you're going to marinate the jackfruit now. So this is what we made in the blender, our lovely jerk marinade. And we're just going to chuck this in, make sure it's nice and mixed around. Rest in. So it's nice to have a really good airtight container for this because we're going to let it sit in the fridge. Let's see. Okay, it's getting the last jackfruit in there. Chuck the lid on onto a sealed container and just give it a nice shake like that to get the marinade all over it. So that works. Have a sealed container. It's ready to go in the fridge now. Okay, so this has come out of the fridge. It's been in there for about an hour. You can leave it for longer if you want. And we're going to fry it in a little bit of olive oil to make it nice and crispy. You can bake it if you want as well. Let's get some in the pan. Whoa! Good sizzle. Just gonna fry this off. Turn up the heat a little bit more. It smells so good. It smells like that proper jerk barbecue smell, which is just really familiar and really delicious. Look, Louise is coming in to take a peek.
Oh, it smells amazing. I think that's smell-o-vision.
Oh! smell all the different flavors coming out. You can smell that chili, you can smell the allspice, that bit of nutmeg and cinnamon. Super, super delicious. Okay, so we have fried off the jerk jackfruit. We've got a lovely bowl here of our rice and peas and also some lovely plantain as well. And just gonna put a little bit straight on there, ready to eat. A little bit of fresh coriander sprinkle, and that is ready to go. It's ready!
Yay! Let's try it, shall we?
I absolutely love plantain as well, so this is one of my complete favourites.
That's so good. So thank you so much for watching. We're the Vegan Larder. You're still eating, so I have to say this. Please like us, please subscribe, and please share our videos. All down below. Leave us a comment too. See you next time.
Bye!